For this bracelet, we're going to use this Evil Eye charm. And this paracord bracelet is pre-made and it closes with a barrel. And it has a jump ring here on each end. Pretty easy. So all you need is a couple pliers and some jump rings to attach them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the jump rings and our pliers. We're going to open, and once we have it open, we're going to insert the loop on our charm, and then our bracelet, and again use our pliers to close the jump ring. We do the same on the other side. Take the jump ring, open it with the pliers, pass it through our Evil Eye charm, and then through our bracelet, and then we simply close it. And that's it. Super easy to make with this pre-made paracord bracelets. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next ones.